Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can set Python path on Windows 10. So that's been said, let's get started. Before that, let me show you how you can install Python on Windows 10. For that, just open your browser and search for Python and open the link from python.org. Don't worry about the download link, you will get the download link in the description box. If you already have Python installed on your system, then you can skip this step and you can follow how to set Python path on Windows 10. So you will get the timestamp in the description box. Now to download, simply click on this download option. Here we have download the latest version for Windows, Python 3.9.5. Simply click on this download button. And here you can see it is downloading. So let me complete the download process, and after that I'll show you how you can install and set path for Python. Our download has been completed. Now just open this installer file. Let me minimize the browser. Here we have the setup window, and here we have two installation options. One is install now option and another one is custom installation. Before selecting any of this option, simply check this box, add Python 3.9 to path, and select your option. I will suggest you to go with the customized installation, and here simply select your optional features, then click on next, and here we have some advanced option. So if you want to install Python for all users, simply select install for all users, and here we have the default location where Python is going to install. In order to set Python path on Windows 10, you have to remember this installation location. So my installation location is C drive programs file Python 39 folder. If you have a good reason to change this location, then you can change by clicking on this browse button. But for now, I'm just going to keep it default. Then click on install. And here you can see it is installing. Here you can see our installation is successfully completed. Now let me close this window. Now let me show you Python shell. So this is our Python IDE and this is our Python shell. So let me open Python shell. So this is the command prompt interface of Python. You can use this Python shell to do your Python programming. Let me show you how you can print hello using Python. Here simply write print, then put parentheses, and inside this parentheses write a statement. Say for example hello. Then put semicolon and hit enter. Here you can see hello. Similarly, you can also use Python IDE. Here we have Python IDE. Just open this, and here we have Python IDE shell. You can also use this to do your Python programming. Say for example, I want to print hello world. Then put semicolon, then hit enter. Here you will find hello world. Now let me show you how you can set Python path on Windows 10. For that, let me close this window, open your C drive or the location where you have installed Python. So I had already told you that you have to remember the location where you have installed Python. So I had installed it on my C drive, programs file, and here I have a folder name called Python 39. Just open this Python folder, and here we have to copy this location. Just copy this location, and here search for control panel. Here we have our control panel. Just open control panel and click on system and security. Here click on system, and here you will find advanced system setting option. Simply click on advanced system settings, and here click on environment variable. If you are not getting this option, then you can simply search for environment variable here. Here you will find edit the system environment variable. You can simply open this. So here we have our system property. Let me minimize this window. Simply click on environment variables, and on the system variable, look for a variable called path, then click on edit. Here you have to paste that location. Here you can see I already have the Python location. If you don't have your Python location here, simply click on new and simply paste that location. This location and this location is same, so I'm just going to delete this location. Now you have to copy another path, that is our script folder path. Simply open this script folder, then copy this location, then again open your environment variable, then on the system variable select path, then click on edit, and here simply paste that path. But I already have that path on my system variable, so I'm not going to add that. Then click on OK, then click on OK, then click on OK. Now close all window. Now open CMD. to check whether your Python path is successfully set up on a system or not. For that, simply write Python. If you get this statement, that means your Python path is successfully set up on your Windows 10 computer. Now to check, you can simply run some command. Say for example 2 plus 5, which will print 7. So here we have 7. You can also use print function. Then hit enter. Here we have hello. So we had successfully set up Python path on Windows 10. So this way you can set up Python path on Windows 10. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.